Hi cruise fans, this is Tony, your cruise mentor, and with over 100 cruises as crew member and as guest, we're gonna explore today the island of Bahamas. We're in the port of Nassau right now, and it's a very busy port. There are a lot of things to explore on this island. For example, we got different catamaran tours for snorkeling, and besides this, all the amazing beaches. This is day number 3 of the vlog from MSC Seascape. So if you're interested, you will find the links in the description. So stay tuned, yeah, we're gonna check it out, the island. Alright guys, here in the harbour, you just walk a few steps and you already can see turtles, you can snorkel with turtles like some people do. Here you directly have a small beach and there are also good vibes, yeah. You can party here directly on the port. And as you see, there's also Royal Caribbean with one of the newest ships, Utopia of the Seas, other Carnival ships. Hopefully with your support this channel can grow, that in the future we can explore more ships together. So thanks for the support already. Here's some unfiltered impressions after our beach day here in Bahamas, Nassau. It depends if this will be your first time or if you will come back to this island, because if you only come once here, my recommendation would definitely be book a tour, explore something from the island, drive to different beaches. If you plan to come back more often anyways, then of course you can go to the local beach which is around the corner. I mean, Google Maps says you need like 2 miles, but in the end, yeah, you also really need like half an hour. And at the beach, it's also a little bit, yeah, loud. They want to sell you some beach chairs for $40 and the beach quality is okayish. So let me know guys, what are your special tips in the comments for Bahamas, what you think about Nassau. Let me know, because me personally, I prefer the other islands like Jamaica, Cayman Island. So I'm excited what you guys think about and what are your favorite islands. And later on we will take a look at the departure. Alright, so I took the shrimp cocktail again, and then we got some lettuce wrap and Caesar salad. All the mains, the red curry, which already smells great. Then we got the swordfish, always a great choice. And now we're gonna have some Apfelstrudel. So we just came from the dinner. After that we just quickly saw a show, and if you plan to do this cruise, definitely pack something white, because today there's the white party on the pool deck where we're gonna head to next, and it will be also fun because first of all they just do the dance course, after that the party on the pool deck. It's always a good choice. We're at day number 4 today. It's a sea day, and today will be a beautiful sea day. Oh, I'm gonna relax, recharge, but also there are a lot of activities. I think 100 different activities that you can do. So let's see what we're gonna do. Alright, I just came back from the gym. Unfortunately today, of course, there's a sea day, so it was more busy. I don't want it to disturb anyone, but if you look in the further vlogs, I show you the gym detailed. I'm in my 30s now. Just a few weeks ago I made a test in my gym and my muscular age was like 21, but my stretching age was over 50. So I also did a stretching class, and yeah, it was really funny because the older generation just showed me how to do it. Yeah, I mean, a cruise is there to try something new. Okay, now we come to one of our favorite meals within the day. which is in German Kaffee und Kuchen. I don't know, as American.
We don't have it. I feel like in British English it's more of a tea time thing.
Yeah, it's around 4 p.m. So you just have some nice sweets, some tea or coffee, and I can highly recommend. So we're gonna enjoy now. Just a quick overview what you can get here in the afternoon at the marketplace buffet. Some sweets. You can also get fresh meat if you like. You can have fresh made pasta. Everything that is Italian is like a 10 out of 10. So the pizza is awesome, the pasta, so highly recommended. If you are also on MSC Seascape, you have a sea day, there are so many things to do. I wrote down 10 things and in the end, yeah, we did some things, so don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just relax, and also then you have more energy for next destinations. So see you in the next video. Tomorrow we will be in Jamaica and I hope to see you back. And as always, stay on course. Your cruise mentor over and out.